Hello friends, welcome to nationalPC YouTube channel. Myself Prasenjit. Today I will show you one of the latest product from ASUS, ASUS TUF Gaming A1. This is an external SSD enclosure and it has many more advantages from the previous one like the Strix Arion or little bit disadvantage from the Strix Arion. In this video I will show you all these technical details and how to install the SSD and what is the maximum speed of this device. So begin this video. ASUS TUF Gaming A1 USB 3.2 SSD enclosure. Let's uncut this packet and I will show you one by one what are the specifications and what are the accessories inside this product. Let's start from the front. On the front it's clearly mentioned it is IP68 waterproof, and next one is a very new thing 8108. It is actually a drop test method. All the details on the back side will be there. IP68 water and dust resistance, and what I have already told you 8108, this is actually transit drop test. And next thing which is most important actually, the previous one, the Strix Arion, this is only working with the NVMe SSD, but this time ASUS bring this TUF Gaming A1 which will support both SATA and NVMe. So it's a very good thing because SATA SSD its little price is comparably less. So you can easily use the 2TB, 4TB M.2 SSD which is SATA interface as well as on the NVMe side also. And the next thing also, this is also new thing in this device, is a Q-Latch. On the previous one you have to use the screwdriver or the screws to install the SSD and lock the SSD. But this time this is only a Q-Latch, the simple things. Just insert this SSD and rotate the latch to lock this SSD. So it's a very new things also. And these are the little bit specification which is not more important. One important thing is this device is USB 3.2 generation 2 and its maximum speed with this device is the 10 Gbps, and the 10 Gbps speed will come when you use the NVMe SSD. If you use the SATA SSD already have the maximum speed, or the SATA interface maximum speed is 6 Gbps. So if you use the SATA SSD you will get the maximum 6 Gbps of bandwidth or 6 Gbps speed. So let's start uncut this seal. Very small packaging but the hard one, like tough one. This is the TUF Gaming A1 quick installation guide. I will show you how to install this, don't worry. And this is the manual for the every language. This is the main SSD, keep it aside. First I will check what are the accessories is there. This is the Allen key. I don't know why ASUS has give this, maybe this is for the opening, and one cable. This is the type C to type C cable. This is a very good quality cable, type C to type C. One thing is missing, I think that is important, this is type C to type A, because not everyone have the type C port. So I think I will recommend to use one type C to type A port for these devices. And this is the Allen key. Now I will check the main product. It's a little bit weight is there, not like the previous one that is also the aluminum casing, the Strix Arion, but this time TUF is little bit much heavier. Wow, looks is very nice. TUF Gaming is purely aluminum body. To open this we have to use the Allen key for this 4 screw. Front there is one TUF logo, and I think this is the LED, so when you turn on this device the LED will glow up. So this is one more advantage because this is a heavy product actually, and this is the type C port. So now I will open this the back cover and I will show you how to install the SSD. To install one SSD, you have to open this 4 screw. The previous one is the good one actually, Strix Arian. This is on the SIM tray opener, just push it and open this. But maybe this is the tough design, that's why ASUS has think for this 4 screw. And this is the Q-Latch. One thing you have to just make sure that whenever you use the SSD, the M.2 SSD, that SSD must be with the non-heatsink. If you have the heatsink already attached with this SSD, then you have to remove this thermal pad. Otherwise, you will can't attach this the top cover. Now, I will take this SSD. This is the XPG one, non-heatsink one. Simply attach like this way. After that, you have to rotate this latch. Simply like this. So it's fixed now. So installation is very easy. Now we will start this device and we will check the transfer speed and the read-write speed of this device. Now we will test the SSD speed using this TUF enclosure. So we have connected this device. We will check it from the device manager. This is the TUF A1. We have also connected the previous generation ROG Strix Arian to check is there any difference in speed. Though both are the same technology or both are the same 10 Gbps maximum bandwidth. So we'll check the drive letter first. This one for the new TUF one. This is the drive letter E, and this is the previous generation H and K. This is the Strix Arian. So first we'll check the E drive. For this we have installed the Crystal Disk Mark. It's a very good software, free software. We'll also open the task manager, and this is the E drive, and we'll check on sequential write and read first. So I begin the test. This is the drive H actually. So this one is 976, 990. H and K, that means we are testing right now the Strix Arian. Logically 10 Gbps means you will get maximum 1280 Mbps. This is the theoretical speed, but in real life you can see this is the near about 990 or 980. This is the average speed for USB 3.2 Type-C devices. This is a Gen 2 actually. So now we will stop this and we will check this E drive which is on the TUF A1, and we will begin the test. You can check it is near about same 880, 900 Mbps. ASUS TUF Gaming A1. This is the only SSD enclosure from the ASUS which can support both SATA and NVMe M.2 SSD. I hope you have liked all the technical details of this product. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share this video as much as possible. If you need any kind of information or technical information about this product, comments in this video. Thank you friends. See you on the next video.